Hello traders, Jim Simmons here with NeuroStreet Trading Academy, Head of Education here. If you are watching this video, let me be the first to welcome you to our program and to our academy. We're thrilled to have you. We've got some really great things going on here, and I know you are absolutely going to love it here. So what we'll do here is we're going to take a quick look at what you have access to, where to find everything. If you're new, you're probably thinking, okay, now what? Okay, so here's the now what. Let's go in and take a look. Now there are two different programs kind of built in here. You'll see the stocks and options side here. There's going to be some 101 courses for stocks and options here. We've also got strategies, and these are on-demand sections. We do also have some on-demand videos here. This is going to be things like price action and business planning for trading. So that is there. Trade room and recordings, of course, you probably figured out how to get in there. All of our trade room recordings are posted here as well. And then strategies class. This is where you'll go to attend the live classes. Now on stocks, the live classes are Mondays, and in futures, they are on Wednesdays. You do have access to both of them. Okay. Additionally, you have access to the platform scanners as well as templates and layouts and things like that. So that's all in there. You're welcome to join us in Discord as well, and that'll get you access to our private Discord threads. So that's on the stock side. Let's go in and take a look at the futures, Forex, global asset side. You'll see a couple welcome videos here. Of course, that's what this is, so that's going to replace these videos here. But you have Futures, Forex, Crypto 101. So if you are brand new or you want to learn a different asset class, this is where you'd go to do that. Then you have all of the vault training. So we have really indicators training is here. Strategies on the indicators, for the most part, are going to be here. Think of this as these are old strategies that we may not necessarily be trading in the trade room together, but they're still very valid, and there's a lot of great setups in there that you're welcome to go check out. And then indicator training is here. Of course, we have the algo training here, which is going to be more insight on, of course, how to trade with algos. As we move down, we have the on-demand video course here again as well. This is the same as it was in the stock side. This is going to have, again, price action foundations and then business planning for trading. Then we have two mastery level courses here, one on price action and smart money concepts, the other on liquidity and things like order blocks, supply and demand, and so on. These are, again, they're mastery level courses. They're about 12 to 13 videos each, and they will go very deep into these concepts. As we move down here, we of course can see the trade room, and the recordings are going to be here. All of the recordings are in there, plus your link to access the trade room. And then we have, again, strategies class is here. If we click into strategies class, you'll see we have all of the recordings in the members area here. This is an incredible resource that you can go back and review some of the concepts that we teach. We'll take a look at the curriculum here in just a moment, but to give you an idea, we have, as of the date of this video, we have June 5th, which is our order block and liquidity blocks trade strategy. We also cover advanced concepts and foundational concepts, but all of the recordings are primarily going to be here in round 3 recordings. And so you can go to older entries by clicking the link there. And we do also have some of the older classes from a while back in here as well, back from 2023. But as you go back here, you can see we've got all of the different recordings there for your reference. And then, of course, to access the class, you click there. Average length is about 90 minutes, give or take, on these classes, and they are Wednesdays at 1 p.m. Eastern. Then as we go back here, we have discounts available through our various partners and affiliates, and then trader downloads and resources. We're going to click into this because there is some really important items in here. One is the risk reward calculator. If you want to do some work on your risk planning and money management, that is where you'll go to find that. We've also got the workspaces for the trade platforms, and then of course the cheat sheets. These are gold. We have rules-based trading cheat sheets built out for every strategy that we trade. One example that I'll pull up here is our 1-minute order block strategy. We have one of these on all of the strategies that we trade, and there's about a dozen of these in there. So great resources and continuously building as we go, of course. But all of the rules are plotted out here. They're all broken down, bullish, bearish, what you need to do, they're all here. And then of course we have examples of the trades, long and short, and then of course additional rules and a lovely disclaimer in case you need some reading material. But these are all in the members area. So if you click this, it's going to download as a zip. So you definitely want to get your hands on that. Next, let's take a look at our curriculum. What do we teach? Why do we teach it? And so on. So with regards to the foundations, there are several items that we believe that every trader needs to understand and needs to incorporate into their trading. For example, structure and smart money concepts, multi-time frame analysis, liquidity, volume, supports, resistance, supply and demand, of course, money management, risk management, psychology. These are all of the things that we teach in our curriculum. Very, very important. Now, when we talk about our weekly strategy classes, these are the live classes that are on Mondays and Wednesdays. What kind of things could you expect to learn in there? If you ask me, I think that is where a bulk of the value of this program is going to be found. In the first pillar, we look at the foundations of trading. Again, that was the pie graph that we just looked at. Things like structure, momentum divergence, volume, order flow, supply, demand, all of those concepts. Advanced concepts like mapping out your charts, directional bias, multi-time frame analysis, money management, getting and staying funded with a prop firm. How on earth do you do that? Advanced concepts like psychology, mindset, discipline, obviously very important as well. And then pillar 3 is where we go into the strategies themselves. This is where we pull up the cheat sheets and we go through top to bottom, and then we go over numerous examples of the trades on the chart together so that our traders can really get a good grasp of how to trade these setups in real life. So that's going to do it for this video. That gives you a great starting point on where to go, where to find things, what comes next, that sort of thing. If you are new to the program and you've been trading for a while, my best suggestion would be to go into the price action and liquidity courses first. Go in, learn those, get a grasp of what we're looking at there, and then just go into the strategies class and take a look at those recordings. Of course, you can join us live as well. Any of them that are in the first pillar are going to be called foundations. They're going to have that in the name. And then you can find some of the other concepts. Of course, the strategies usually have trade in the name as well. So that'll help you navigate through some of the various different videos. Of course, if you need any additional guidance, insight, direction, or you just have questions, reach out to me directly anytime. I'm your ally. I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you find your way. We've got a lot of traders that are doing very, very well with this program, and we can't wait to see your progression and see your success as well. So we're here for you. We're all in this together. Thrilled to have you with us. If you have any questions, reach out. Cheers for now, and happy trading.